Measuring sugar levels just got way smarter. This Brix Refractometer is your go-to tool for quick, precise sugar reading, whether you're testing fruits, juices like this, veggies, or brews. 0 to 35% Brix range with plus minus 0.2% precision. It's automatic temperature compensation, keeps your results accurate no matter the environment. Just 0.2 ml of sample and get a reading in 2 seconds. Calibrate it with a few drops of water and hit 0 here, and that's it. Okay, so this is zeroing complete. Okay, it has a rechargeable battery and gives you over 10 hours of non-stop use. It has a smart app integration that lets you save and track your test results for consistency. It has a large LCD screen, makes it easy to read for everyone. It's lightweight, waterproof, and super portable. Toss it in your kit and go test anywhere. So how to use it? I have this juice here, all right, and it comes with this two of these sample like picker or whatever, like dropping tools. So I'm going to what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop 2 drops here in this little opening here, 1 and 2, okay, and then I'm going to hit test. The test here is showing 16.9 and it's showing that the temperature is 27.40, which is good because it has to be with the Celsius, has to be between 5 and 45. The refractivity 1.35. So what does a 16.9 Brix reading mean? Means that it's 16.9% sucrose. It has sucrose or like sugar inside of it, which means 16.9 out of 100. Okay, which means it's moderate. It's not a lot, it's not too little. It means it's a moderate. The 3.6 reading means it has very small amount of sugar. But the 16.9 for a ripe fruit or vegetable, that means it has moderate sugar in it, and it's sweet, and it's probably at its peak ripeness, as they say. While for the juice quality, it's moderate to high, so it's good if you're watching your sugar intake. You need to watch from drinking from that juice. For fermentation, if you're making wine, a 16.9 Brix gives you a potential alcohol content after fermentation, roughly between 9 to 10% ABV potential. Things to take into consideration when you are using the Brix Refractometer: always make sure the lens is clean, use only a few drops of the juice, wait about 2 seconds for the reading, wipe and recalibrate, which means you dip it into water and then you switch it on. You click on the zeroing, it will give you it's zeroing right now and it's complete, and then you can use it on the next test. Whether you're a home brewer, farmer, chef, or just love data, this tool makes sugar testing very simple, reliable, small tool, big accuracy, and sweet results.